Welcome back to DOCONCHAIN. We are now at the last part of the Settings tab, which consists of the completed document access and the document description. The completed document access includes settings that you may set for once the document has been completed. Starting off with the viewer access, which lets you put the completed file on either public or private access. The public access lets you select from the account restriction to no account required, which will allow people with the link to your file to view your document even without the DocOnChain account. Or select account creation required to require them to create an account first with DocOnChain before viewing or accessing your file. Lastly, we have the document description box, which is optional for any additional information that you may want to add for your document. That's it for the Settings tab. See you again at the next video. Thank you.